Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing my latest makeup haul which I did recently, like a couple of days ago. I got some really amazing and the best quality makeup products which are totally affordable. These are basically the first copies, but the quality is really good. I really love them. So let's quickly check out what I got. So the first product that I'm really excited to share is this flower blusher by the brand SFR Color. This is very amazing and one of the best product I got, I must tell you. This is how it looks like. It has the pink and peach shades. The shades are total 6. This is in the number 1. The palette is number 1. Totally high pigmented and very cute. The palette is really cute. I got this for ₹100 and it is totally worth, I must say. The packaging is really good. The next thing that I got are these NYX lip glosses. These are basically the first copies of the original ones. Very affordable and amazing. Let me show you. This is the nude one. Suits every skin tone, I must tell you. This is in the shade pink. Check the shade. This is my favorite shade. These are totally affordable. And this third one I got is in the red shade. Shades are written over here. This is 111 Miami. The shade is 111 Miami. I got these for ₹100 each. Totally affordable and the result is totally good. At least I love them given the price that I got them for. So moving on to the next product that I got. This is the eyeliner by the brand The Fashion Factory. This is how it looks like. This is the felt eyeliner basically. It has got a felt tip. This is a very beginner friendly eyeliner. The felt eyeliners are very good who have just started doing the makeup. The tip is really good, you can check. Very sharp and precise. The shade is jet black. Point is really good, gives the best look. This I got for ₹150. Totally affordable and I am loving it totally. I'm sure if you buy you will totally love it. Okay. The next is this Huda Beauty Aloe Vera Pressed Powder. This I got for around ₹75. Comes with a mirror like this. Comes with a puff for the application and I'm loving the fragrance of this powder. It also has some shine in it. The shade is natural and can suit any skin tone. These natural shades suit every skin tone. I got this for $75 and it's totally worth it. Alright, moving on to the next. This is also a blush by SFR Color. This is a single blush in the shade Naked Apricot number 3. This too is totally worth the money, the price that I paid for it. It has magnet packing. It has a mirror in it. The shade is Apricot. It has some shine in it, little pigmented. This one too is my favorite. The packing is good, totally affordable. I got this for 130 rupees and the quality is really good, very affordable. These products are very friendly for the beginners. And last but not the least is this MAC mascara. This is also first copy. Let's check it out quickly. This is how it looks like, totally affordable and worth the money. I don't know if the actual MAC mascara is like this. The brush is very good, have a look. This too is, the shade is jet black. I got this for something 100 rupees. Yeah, getting this for 100 is totally worth. So these are the products that I got. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Teas and Tiaras. Also like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, lots of love.